Yes, we have received a letter of support from most of the political parties, including independents. But we have not discussed for this issue. We expected that we'll do better. Yes, we have received a letter of support from most of the political parties, including independents. But we have not discussed for this issue. We are comfortable. We are 37 in the 5 in DPP and 12 EJP legislators. But since they have submitted to support this present government, we are going to discuss. Yet to discuss.
On the issue of the Naga political issue, do you think we will witness another oppositionless government?
That I have no comment. Since most of the political parties, those MLAs are giving their letter of support for this present government. Who knows, we may have oppositionless government, but only after our discussion. That is not yet finalized.
Yesterday you have held the first cabinet meeting.
Yes.
So what are the major decisions that you have taken today?
We just introduced each other. After that, we had one agenda about this municipal election. We discussed this issue. As per the Supreme Court order, we'll have to complete this by the end of May. That's why we discussed this issue.
So regarding this, you have won 12 seats out of 20 again. It's the same thing like what you have won last time, 2018. Did you expect that you would be winning more than this? Or how you have come to this?
Well, we did our best.
To add to that question, just
yeah.
to this question only. You have lost many major seats. Many of your competent or major portfolio holders have lost the seats. How do you comment on that?
Including 2 cabinet ministers?
Yeah, we are really sorry for the members who have lost, but we expected that we'll do better, that increase of few seats, but we could not do that. But at least we're not down. We got 12.
Are you likely to retain your position as the Minister for Home Department and PWD?
No, I have no comment on that because it is the prerogative of our Honorable Chief Minister. So it is within a few days that this will be solved, but I have no comment on this.
How do you feel sharing the seat as Deputy CM with another member of the State Assembly?
But I have no comment, but for convenience of our government, we have, in other states they have 3-4 deputy CM also. Like UP they have 3. In other states they have 2 in few states. So for the convenience of our government, I think that is arranged by our Honorable CM. Yeah.
Sure, one last one. On Naga political issue, it has been prolonging so much, and now again you have come to the power this time also. So how do you feel you will pursue the matter, solution to Naga?
Our 2 parties, Government of India and our political group, Nagaland political group, should come to understanding. We are government, we are just a facilitator, but we will continue to pursue this issue.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.